Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September 9th. Before we get to the forecast, I wanted to go over the rainfall that's been occurring from Hurricane Lane. It's downgraded to tropical storm, maybe into tropical depression by now. I haven't really checked, but here's the rainfall forecast. It's 8 p.m. Eastern Time for the Hawaiian Islands. This is GFS, and then we go forward. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see the heaviest rainfall is to the west of the low-level circulation. Now, let me see. Here's the rainfall that has fallen so far. This is the latest one, 8 a.m. And you can see the heaviest rainfall here in the dark red. This is can't really read that. What is that, like 1 or 13 inches or 1 inch? But the heaviest rainfall here is current across eastern portions of the Big Island, and also the heavier pocket here. Now, with this system, the heaviest rain is to the east, but this will be spreading westward with time. And so this is GFS, and then we go to Monday morning. They're still dealing with this, but the heaviest rain is like offshore, maybe a few heavier pockets here across the Big Island, some of the other islands. That's the European. Now we look at the European. That was the GFS. Kind of similar, has the heaviest rain though south of the islands, and then we go to the big to Sunday 8 a.m. It shows lighter rain, and then we go to Monday. It keeps the heaviest rain offshore. But these areas have really have received a lot of heavy rainfall from this system, causing flash flooding. All right, now we're going to get to the forecast. We're going to look at the period for August 28th through September 1st. The pattern remains the same. We have a strong ridge here across this region, trough. And this is caused by the tropical systems over the Western Pacific, and this is implicating the flow across the lower 48s. But in time, this ridge here retrogrades, and then a new trough settles in, and we'll see that as it slowly gives away. You can see there it gives away slowly, and we come to the first. And we look at the rest of the models, they're good agreement. Another thing to factor, there's still a lot of heavy rain occurring across the nation. The first is a frontal boundary across the northern west, and this will be the focus for rain and storms. And this will be particularly true from the middle Mississippi Valley to the Great Lakes and points east. And across the south, the hot and humid air mass will have several mesoscale processes resulting in heavy convective rainfall, and temperatures will be well above normal. Excuse me. Now we'll go to the forecast period for August 31st to September 4th, and the pattern remains generally the same. The models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest. Doesn't really show it well, but this is the best map that does. But forecast anomalies be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and we have above normal temperatures for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. Highest anomalies across portions of the southwest and the plains. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. Okay, now I'll look at the period for September 5th to the 9th. Most of the models indicate little change in circulation. However, other models such as the NAEFS, let me see which one here, has above normal heights here, and also the European ensembles shown above normal heights across much of North America. So And take a look at the, I don't have this map up, but the GFS super ensembles are in agreement with most of the other models, so I'm going to go with that. So for this forecast period, forecasting a little change in the temperature anomalies, about 4 to 6 degrees below normal here, and above normal temperatures here with the anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal. Again, this doesn't show it very well, but it's the best map I could find. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation continuing here. This is not helping the fire threat parts of the west. And I hate to say this, but the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.